ARD360 now supports indoor 360-degree panoramic datasets. Using UE-SLAM technology, real-world indoor coordinates are generated and geotagged directly to each panoramic image. Multi-level buildings are also supported. Upload the building floor plans to serve as the base map. For best results, use accurate, measured drawings created through scanning or digitizing techniques. To begin the virtual tour, click the track log on the building map. The panoramic image for that location appears instantly. Use the mouse to rotate, pan, zoom in, or zoom out. To move through the space, simply click within the image. ARD360's 3D measurement tools also work indoors. Users can measure height and width and create object tags directly inside the 360-degree panoramic imagery. All measurements and tags are managed through layer functions. Toggle visibility, download files, customize icons and colors, or delete items as needed. Results are saved into the database. ARD360 supports video streaming integration. Through the object tagging editor, users can embed URLs and display real-time streams or recorded videos inline. Real-time information from IoT devices and systems can also be displayed. IoT system URLs are embedded through the object editor when tagging an IoT object in the panoramic imagery. The system can open inline or in a separate browser tab. Files such as drawings, images, and documents can be attached to tagged objects. Upload them through the object tagging editor for direct display. ARD360 is the unified platform for outdoor and indoor 360-degree panoramic visualization and mapping. Your total solution for outdoor and indoor digital twin systems.